know what diabano. First of all, with the accommodation, and then you know how salary need later.
I will deal more with a year target now or Kanhuasim. Rich, I think first of all, the minister is still projecting a certain target. I look at it as an unachievable target. So, Ghana, we are going to play a FIFA World Cup, and the expectations say we have to get to somewhere the semi-final, which will be an improvement on our last best performance, which was quarter-final in 2010. It looks very unrealistic for the current situation we find ourselves in. What is the current situation? Yapam coach, close to 60 days to a big tournament, a World Cup. Number 2, we have appointed a coach. He is coming in with fresh ideas to come and manage a team that looks very unsettled. Number 3, targets now all Kanhuasem. It is not a target you would expect, say, a Carlos Queiroz would come in and be very comfortable with, say, a idea also omiti to justify whether he has performed or not. Because Obiajitum say at this point in which we are as a country, and it is not there. And if Sir Okase Otuado was given those same targets, and yes, they expect Carlos Queiroz to also meet the target that they have given him, then it means that they also have to ask themselves the question, say, what are the timelines? Carlos Queiroz has only 4 months. And at the end of the World Cup, to evaluate whether the man say one achieve and say achieve. Rich, if that becomes a reason why Carlos Queiroz will even be allowed to continue the work, I think the FA would have already lost exactly what they needed from him, per what the minister is saying. Because me say Ghana beat me do semi-final with the current team that we have. Rich, it will take a miracle to do that. So I would have expected, say, he would tell us that whatever performance that we are going to put up at the World Cup, then we use it to make whether we are going to make a substantive appointment. Say, ABR, we are going to move on from Carlos Queiroz. We are going to appoint another manager. Now you catch our manager and say, look at the performance we put up in the World Cup and help us to plan for 2027 AFCON, 2028 AFCON. Because if you tell me, say, let's prepare very well for that tournament and let's go and perform well, or let's, number 1, qualify, and let's try and go and win it. Rich, I think that is a better target, because World Cup, we cannot gain anything significant from it except ABR, Sika Omudibema for participation. And as to how that money will be used, that one is a different conversation. But performance-wise, the BR catcher, it's here for say lower expectation. Let's be measured in the sense that looking at how our team is, looking at the fact that Carlos Queiroz Ejuma, he's now visiting players, trying to get his philosophy down their minds and help them understand. Say now my person bomb a ball, and the fact that we don't even know the players that are going to be called already. We are looking at injury issues. Mohamed Kudus, other players, Africana, Ebimu F, Esha Sese Omoba back. Let's not be saying these kind of things to give the impression, say, Carlos Queiroz coming in has to necessarily get us somewhere. If he doesn't get there, then the backlash become increasingly, harsh on him. So, no. He himself knows, say, which is why he says it's going to be a big challenge for him. And we want to hear better things than just semi-final and winning it. But that is unachievable.
Seriously, I said this target is not realistic with this current Ghana team. African Cup of Nations, we didn't qualify. It's a joke of a target. Ayala.
First of all, Mete, Blasters coach, Ned Dino Hons and Semino. Of course, as a good journalist, you need to find out from the other side, saying, so that when you have an understanding of Nyoma Akoso, you can have a very, very good judgment of the issue. Now, my research I did from the other side, and I'm representing while we are interested in judging the matter, no, you listen to all the facts. Say that residents, no, be available to the Black Stars coach during Akwesi Appiah time. And this current football association by may come administration, no. And Akwesi Appiah contract a year, then they didn't renew. The next coach was Sika Akono. Sika Akono of fine house out Trasako. So what they compare our residents now, there's no way Sika Akono will choose that house over the Trasako baby Otsano. So CK opted say Obetrani Fee Ometran Trasako. After CK was Milovan Rajovac. Milo Baheno. Milo really hardly stayed in Ghana. Hardly. And another Milo Ghana. But there's one thing the white coaches epe. They prefer more of an apartment than a structured residence. And see, Milo so Ejumedia Odi, and we shouldn't forget Milo by doing COVID time and any other. Once now be and Milo didn't really spend time at the residence. Milo coin a Chris Wooten by. Chris Wooten is just like Milo. Now, when was the last time I reached? You say you appointed Bruni. Now Bruni show me baba ya Ghana Jumadia me the bush of phone me here na me menina abetina Ghana to do that because they know majority of the job they do it outside. Enti no kwene say who said we thought Akwesi Appiah there or a Ghana ni obetina ha ye adwuma and Akwesi Appiah is more of a Kumasi person. But you creative residents in my coach, you know. Over CK now a Ghana ni but on sort obetina Trasako. Whites in the bar, they don't really live in Ghana. Into Muntina gidi. So member partners say Afra camp, so Afra hotel. That is where the coach will also be. Then Chris Wood is also antenna Ghana be brave for the time I know in a Juma. Then came Otto first and Otto second no. Otto say if you were Tema. And see antenna resident. So also Otto also stayed predominantly I want to fear what Tema and also Europe no aba. So according to the FA no. Per almost story on the ban say it maybe the finance residents, you know, it is being underutilized. Like the way I compensate a Hoyes show, no, Nanka the permanent resident of the national team coaches, you know, they don't stay here to do their job. And Ghana for Numpona or my bar long line and Komotina Ghana Hanumponu also prefer to stay at their own resident dancer or Mobetina. So they decided to turn it into the sports directorate hub now or more aye a Jumano Eddie F. Now, Rich, you see, me here, Honorable Kofi Adams, you know, I wanted to get two impressions. First one, I buying any place, you know, I'm a momo everyone say any blaster coach be by appointee biano, a honor better. In changing the purpose of the house, did they inform a buying? Because Abana they are the amount. In changing it, you must inform about and say, I don't know what the man, you know. Because I know what they are. You must inform them. It is polite, it is courtesy. It is very, very sane and reasonable. Say, Obidi Bibiama or not Abia, it is being underutilized. Now, person turning it to be you inform them. Rich, I get a sense from the minister say, I say, oh, yeah, they decided the moments of our Black Stars schools. So far, some of my home just kept there. Don't be some way be fine. And he used maybe the moment of big Kasa or you say,
sure.
Exactly. So I can deduce from as some minister they can say probably they were not officially informed. As a bank say, at the end, you're turning into something else.
All the Obi Crab say, I also auto or antenna no Fiifi. So Otto now the bills of bread and I know the bread more. No, so I know the bill Mumpodia.
to the minister so far as there is no bill.
They
to the ministry there.
Almost any problem.
But yes, Mijitum say the resident was given under the Nanado administration. And Abayasasa. But rich, Abaja Pade is Abaja Pade. Idea belonging to the state belongs to the state. So Abayasasa, it is still there is always going to be a running government. And see, for courtesy's sake, the FA should have officially informed Abayasa. Baby, I'm going to say former coach, because of these reasons, I'm a bobo. See, you're changing into this. Number 2, Rich, say, GF funding coaches can be out from the taxpayer. They are. Any mention any public interest advocacy be on the matter.
Okay, maybe Omani yi diamond.
And still, yes. Then I have a public interest advocacy I will have to make. But sir, if they are finding a way to house the national team coach and turn Adiano into a only problem, and they say I could sense they originally didn't inform government, which for me that communication gap is right at all, and they should have done that. Look, I will come back to the target of the coach.
Okay.
For me, I am combatant. Semitie the minister or Kana Rich. A target that we will need a comprehensive plan to achieve. And yet a target that we will need a comprehensive plan to achieve. And yet I say jasu yeah the last 2 World Cups we've gone with short-term coaches. In between has not been so good. And say if these are and UTA minister also, it is the same target we gave to Otto. So and yet a peculiar Carlos Queiroz target. It is a target set by the ministry. Say this is what we want to achieve with the Blasters. And to be baby comes to inherit that same target. Rich say a sign it here. Then every decision must be a long term to get to the goal. And yes, short term no man and this targets now are set as stipulated by
the
we are doing things wrong.
Wasn't the target is on semi-final?
Yes, of course.
Kofi, I will say Kabeti have but time. Young from question Yami had much na your bounds when you na Odi Wadin Channel etimi Eddie. About you from Pamcho. You can't keep 2 na ya baba so at the ammunition.